All right, for this one, we want to solve for the missing sides, x and y. First thing to recognize is we have a special right triangle. It's a 30, 60, 90. So those side ratios are going to look like this, 1 to root 3 to 2. So I want to make sure I understand. I always start with the side that's opposite the 30. So I know that if I take this side that's opposite the 30, my y, and I multiply it by root 3, I get the side that's opposite the 60. So 5 root 3. So there's the equation that I can work with, and it's all based on these side ratios here. So solve for y. I want to divide by root 3, and that gives me a nice easy expression to simplify on the right. These two cancel, and I'm just left with y equals 5. So I'm done with that. The other relationship that I know exists is I just figured out that this side is 5. So if I take the side that's opposite the 30 and I multiply it by 2, I get the hypotenuse, or in other words, x. So in this case, x equals the side that's opposite the 30 doubled. So x is 10.